Alright, for this inequality, like I mentioned in class, on your left hand side and your right hand side you have fractions. Automatically in your head you will think that you have to cross multiply, but like I said in class, because it's an inequality, you will avoid doing any kind of cross multiplication here. And in class I also mentioned that you need to multiply -6 on both sides. Now let's not think about -6, let's do this step by step. So on my left hand side, in the denominator I have a -3, and on my right hand side I have a +2. So let's do step by step. On my left hand side, if I want to get rid of my -3, I have to multiply the whole thing by -3 so that I can cancel them away. So this is how it looks like. So if I do this on my left side, I need to also do the exact same thing on my right hand side. Now, however, you need to take note that the inequality in this scenario will have to change because you multiplied by a negative number on both sides. So take note that your inequality sign will change. Now, once you've done this, you have to simplify the expression. Okay, so on your right hand side, the -3 will need to multiply by your x minus 2. Why? Because -3 is actually -3/1. So top times top, bottom times bottom. Alright, so now on your right hand side you have a denominator as well, and your denominator is a +2. So to get rid of your +2, you have to multiply by a +2. So you have to balance out by multiplying the other side also by a +2. So in this scenario, you will then cancel away a 2, and the other side on your left hand side you will simplify it, and that's how you get 2x, and your right hand side you get -3 bracket x minus 2. So after this is done, you should be able to solve the rest of the question. And you are done. So what I did in class was basically, now here you multiply by -3 first, and then after that you multiply by a +2. So what I did in class was to just cut short these two steps and just multiply both sides by the lowest common multiple, which is +2 and times -3, which is -6. So this is what I did in class, and if you simplify it, you end up getting your 2x and -3 x minus 2.